Talking about the decor of the venue. So, decor is something that includes the floral arrangement, the musicality of it, stage, podium, seating arrangement included in it, and what are the kind of linen that you want on the table, on the chair, if the venue is offering. So, all this includes in the decor. And so different kind of events will need different kind of decor, also depending on the number of people. So for instance, again giving you an example of if you have to have a cocktail party, for instance, so you might want to have some cocktail stands along the bar, and maybe like in the front portion of the area of the venue, and perhaps maybe some round tables on the back side of the cocktail stand, so that people who want to eat and who don't drink can eat food, being seated on that table. So, and then goes the linen, like what kind of you know linen you would want on the table, uh, as a part of the decor, what kind of linen would you want on the chair, depending on what the venue is, depending on where you intend to do your event and what are they offering. And then also the cocktail stands can be uh, decorated, so to say, with small floral arrangements on the table, on the cocktail stand, and then some linen on it to give it a beautiful elegant look on the cocktail stand and table, round tables. So this all depends actually on the kind of event you do. And if you have a corporate event like a conference, a ward function, or something like that, and if you need some stationery, that also becomes a part of the decor. So, understanding all of these things and then accordingly suggesting, and because many times what happens is that there is a mismatch in the kind of event that is happening and the things that are needed and the things that are offered. So me as a event planner or an organizer, it's my job to understand really well as to what are you planning to do and what do you want to do and how do you want to do, most importantly, and what are we trying to bring out, so we can also ease the load on your side and the people who will be coming. For instance, if they have to if it's a discussion, panel discussion happening, so they will need small bottles of water, like 500 ml of water, and some notepad and pen and pencil maybe to make notes, and then perhaps maybe small, like in a cocktail glass, having some sweets placed in it. So so this is what the decor includes. And in terms of the floral, what happens is that there will be people on the panel, and what I would do is either, if needed, I could suggest how to go about it, but the execution is done by the floral company or the people who are into floral arrangements. And I will only overlook as to how is it done and whether it is done properly or no, and making sure that it looks nice, and um, all of the other things that are taken care of. So that's what is included in the decor. So I, as an event planner or organizer, this is my uh, also my thing to offer in terms of the decor. So we make it look beautiful and pretty, and however the event is in line with that, and if it's a theme based, then making things aligned as per the theme, so to say, the decor.